Lost some real niggas in these streets and I can't never get them back. I can't get them.
I have you equalized.
Lost some real niggas in these streets and I can't never get them back. And I can't go with that. I wear my heart up on my sleeve, get love that I never get back. But I'ma put that in the past. Say she love me, she gon' leave me, I go flat. And I know that I done been there all before, but I bounce back. It's life again. I'm tryna roll the dice to live and you look up and hit a crack. It don't matter where you end up, just know how you get back.
What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Icy Mike 21 and we are here with a new video. Now, if you a GTA player and oh my god, I can't talk. And you just got the new update and your ScriptHookV keep giving you an error, I'm gonna show you how to fix that. It's quick, simple fix. So I seen a video that was posted like 10 hours ago or whatever. I tried that method, it didn't work. And from a lot of the comments that I read on, it didn't work for them either. So now I got a method that'll work for sure, because I literally just loaded up my game and it worked. So first thing you gonna do is we're gonna go to Steam database or Steam DB. You ain't gotta have no fancy app like that fucking whatever it's called. It's like an app you can download, but first thing we're gonna do is look up GTA 5. So then you want to make sure that you copy this right here. But first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit Windows R, and then type this in, Steam, open console. So then you hit OK. And if you got family password or whatever on there, like I do, then just type it in, whatever. And then what you want to do is you want to hit download depot. Make sure you copy the game ID, which is this one right here, the one that we just copied. Paste it in there. Make sure it's a space after this. And then after that, you want to put another space. I'm going to show you where this came from. So then I'm going to go back. You want to go to depots. Click on this right here. So then you want to highlight that, copy it, go back to Steam, paste it in right here. You want to hit another space. Then we're going to go back. So once we click on that, you want to go to manifest. And I just grabbed this one from right here. That was like 21 days ago. So then you want to copy this. Control C. Go back to Steam. Now, because I already have it done, well, I'm going to just repaste it. And as you see, that's the one that I just used. So then after you do that, just press enter. It's going to say that it's downloading. Now, in order to get to that download, you would have to go to Program Files C, or C Program Files 86, Steam Apps. Let me just go through it. So then you have your hard drives or whatever. So you want to go to local disk, Program Files, Steam Apps, Content. And then it should be right here. So then once you go, you want to open that folder, open this folder. Now, all of this stuff do not matter. Don't worry about none of that stuff. The only files you want to worry about is these ones right here. These 4 files is the only files you need to worry about. So you want to make sure you back it up, but then at the same time, you really don't need to back it up because it's like the version right before this new update. So basically, you just want to take these and you want to copy it into here. Now I already have it. I'm gonna just replace it just to show y'all. And that's it. Pretty much done. You want to go back to your library, hit play, let it load up. This video is so quick, I'm not even gonna do a tutorial. I mean, like, I'm not even gonna edit this video. I'm gonna just post it. I'll probably just put my intro and stuff on here. And let me know if this video helped you out. Please like, comment, subscribe. You know, a little support goes a long way. You know, I'm trying to grow my channel. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers, y'all. You know, I've been trying to do this for about a good year and a half. But I need to be more consistent. But we ain't even gonna talk about that. We just gonna talk about how it just loaded up. I'm not gonna get no type of error or nothing. It's gonna load all the way through. And the game is gonna work perfectly fine. Now I might cut this out because mine will take a little time to load. So I'll see y'all when I get in the game. So I decided not to cut this part out because I want y'all to actually see the game load up, because I don't want y'all to feel like playing some old type of video or whatever. So I just let it load up and y'all gonna see the results. As y'all can see, my mod is working perfectly fine. Everything is in here. All my scripts. You can see I got my gun.
You're coming to church with me.
Got my outfit. You can see all of the cars, the rims. Everything is the way it should be. And once again, if this video helped you, please just leave me a like. You know, maybe hit that subscribe button. It'll help. And I'll see y'all in the next video.
Just know ain't no looking back. I done felt some pain, I really seen girls cry. Granny always told me keep your polar great. The reason why these